to Lex Reads. So, as you can see, I have my pajamas on. It is at night, and I am going to be cleaning up my library. I tend to like to clean my library at night. It's almost kind of like a way for me to relax, and I also feel like when I'm in a clean space, I'm a little bit more sane. One thing that I have been implementing this year is cleaning up something every day around the house, whether it's the kitchen, the bedroom, the bathroom, because what I've noticed is I'll clean up on like Sunday, then throughout the week I trash it up again, because I have this thing of not putting things back, but then I don't like to be bothered, which is like, girl, if you don't like to be bothered, you need to put stuff back in place. So I really have been implementing that this year. That was one of my goals for 2025, just to put things back, have things in place, and especially with this library, because I do have a lot of books, and when I do talk about them, I'll put them back right away, and I'll just put them like not in the places where they should be, and then it piles up. But it hasn't been crazy like before. I feel like I'm contradicting myself. But I said this would be the perfect opportunity, to clean it up. And I haven't done a clean my library with me for this year. So it will be the first one for 2025. And yeah, we just go chill out. We go talk. I'm going to show you guys what I'm currently reading. And we're going to clean up this library. So before we get started, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Surprisingly, I didn't tear this room up too much. So that is good. But as you can see, over here, this shouldn't be here. So we're going to get rid of these. Also, I have been doing a really good job of not having my desk really crowded. If you guys saw my organize my desk, I got a new desk last month, I believe. And it's the same size as my old desk, but it's not bulky. And my old desk also had drawers, like a drawer, and that was one thing I was kind of concerned, because I was so used to having one. It's actually been working really well, so that's really good. I think all these are some new, are these new books I just got? Yeah, they are. I think I showed you guys this in a recent haul. Yeah, I did. My Black History Month haul, the Virginia Hamilton book. She was a middle grade and YA author. And then I did get the Daniel Black Isaac Song. I'm so excited to read this because I read Don't Cry For Me and absolutely loved it. And I think, is this in my jar? If it's not, I need to put it in my jar. What also I have been doing is putting like books, some newer books or books that I want to read, clearly on my TBR cart. But I hate to call it a TBR cart because y'all know how I feel about them TBRs. I barely made it to the one last year where I didn't make it. I didn't finish that TBR, but I do have a TBR this year, and it's literally only I think it's only 4 books. And this year in particular, I have a lot of anticipated reads. I think so far only 4, and that is a lot for me. And one of them I've already read, which you guys, if you guys saw my vlog for Harlem Rhapsody by Victoria Christopher Murray, this was one of my anticipated reads, and I absolutely adored it. She is coming to my state next Wednesday, and I do believe I'm going to go. It's at a community college. They haven't announced the time yet, but I've been checking like daily her Instagram to see, because she's been posting, her tour and things like that. But I really do want to go to that. Hopefully the weather is good and doesn't snow, because we've been having some weather in Michigan. I'm going to put this book on the cart because I still am dabbling in this, because it's another book that it's a subject matter that she mentioned in this book, and I just found out that another writer, Black woman writer, historical fiction Black writer, wrote a book about that particular event that went on, and I will be sharing it with you guys. Actually, we'll be doing a reading vlog. So excited about it. I got the book today. I actually went to the library because I've been utilizing my library. So yeah, I've been dibbling and dabbling in this book. So I still want to have it in. I still want to have it, close by. So I'm gonna put it on the cart. And speaking of my TBR, I actually have not read anything yet from it, and so these are my 3 books for my TBR this year, and I actually need one more because this is part of a series. It's like 5, is it 5 books or 7 books? I need, after this one, I need the last one. This is a romance series. It's called the Bergman Brothers series. I've talked about this so many times. Of course, Kennedy Ryan Real, which the last book in the Skyland series, that's one of my anticipated reads. So excited for that. It's coming out in May. But yeah, I'm really excited to read this because it's during the Harlem Renaissance. And then, of course, always have to have my girl, Diane McKinney Westone. This is Lazaretto. So excited to read this because her writing, fantastic. Which maybe next month I'll start one of those. So yeah, keep this right there. Okay. And then yeah, all these I don't need because I've read these. So this is classic literature. This is YA, so that goes here. I'm gonna put these here, and then this is also YA. And I need to get rid of these. I got these 2 big bags when I went shopping last week. This Coach bag and this H&M. It looks like, Lord, I got so much stuff, but I actually didn't. My bag was just kind of big, but I need to get rid of that. I want to show you guys, I got a new, did I show it in my last vlog? I don't remember, but I got another case for my annotation kit, which this was my old one, but then I found this on Amazon, and I liked it because it has 2 compartments. It has this one and this one. So I just stick this in my bag, and it has everything that I use. Which the book that I am gonna start, the book is green, so yeah, I need those tabs. So yeah, I got this from Amazon. It was only like 10 bucks, and then I like it because it has a handle, and then also it's pink. And usually I will light like a candle after I clean, but it's nighttime. It's like, so after I, clean and stuff like that, I'm going to head to the bed, and probably read a little bit, and then, hit the sack. Is there anything else that needs to be like, again, I have really been trying to, keep the library really clean and organized. Okay, that's basically it for that. I did that. So I want to show you guys what I am currently reading. I finished our book club pick today, which is The Secret Lives of Church Ladies, which I got to send you guys. I finished that. And okay, so I told you guys in my weekend vlog that I'm going to start reading My Sister the Serial Killer, and I picked it out from my prompt jar. And yeah, I'm really excited to pick this up. And I know this was a debut novel, so yeah, I'm really excited about that. I also am still reading on my Kindle, Lake by Gray Hovington, the Eisenberg series. That's the 3rd book in the series, which so far I really like. I love the 1st book, Luca. 2nd book, I would say I gave like Luca, I would give that 4 stars. I would give Lyric 3 stars because Lyric kind of got on my nerves a little bit. Like the whole situation with her and Ken, it was just like, oh girl, I mean, you know what I mean? Yeah. If you guys have read that, you know what I'm talking about. I liked Lyric, don't get me wrong, but in that beginning, I'm like, girl, You playing too many games. What are we doing? We together or we not? But you know, they got it together at the end. So yeah. So yeah, I'm reading that, and then I'm also reading another book, which I want to talk about that later because I told you guys I'm going to do a reading vlog on it, and I just started it today and already fascinated. Like I said, I've been getting a lot of nuggets from the Harlem Rhapsody by Victoria Christopher Murray. Those are the three things um, that I am reading. And then also I got in the mail, which y'all, I got a package from, was it Penguin Random House? And when I opened the package, I was like, oh my gosh. But then when I read it, I said, oh. So it is Dream Count by Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, right? But this is not the finished copy. It's an ARC. And first of all, always grateful that Penguin Random House, you know, sends me free books. Love it, okay? I can't take ARCs. But I don't have to wait too long because this book is coming out next month on the 4th, I believe. And also, actually 2 books on my anticipated reads is coming out the same day. This one and Bernice L. McFadden's memoir is coming out. I have to say I'm more excited for Chimamanda's because it's a fictional, you know, book, and y'all know I like fictional books as opposed to, I can take a memoir, you know, I can, but like fiction is up my alley, and Chimamanda hasn't come out with a book, full length book, since like a fictional book since Americana. And that was like what, 2013 or something like that. And she's come up with some other stuff, like some nonfiction, you know, like critical analysis, a children's book, which I have. But and then she did do the Amazon short, actually one of the characters, that Zakora, that's what it's called. Zakora is actually in this book. It's like, because I think this book is like, is it 4 characters, 4 women or something like that? And if you guys read that, oh my goodness, it was a major cliffhanger. Oh, that was so good. That, I think that came out during what, the pandemic? Yeah. Oh yeah, because it says Sakura is a lawyer who has been successful at everything until betrayal and brokenhearted. She must turn to the person she thought she needed least. Oh yes. I know that. I'm really excited to see her situation because, again, if you guys read that, oh my goodness, her little whatever he was needs to be beat. Yeah, I'm really excited to read this. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video, and I'll be back with more Black books.